Akiyama left on field, facing the wild siege of school. But Akiyama blends inside search crowd until the final buzzer sounds. Nobody discovers this fake student nearby. Congrats to Akiyama as final winner. Where would you choose to hide? To win $1 million, 8 players play campus hide and seek. Hide 20 minutes to win the cash. Player 1 Yumekawa plans the store, altering the counter into hidden space, blocking his head with art albums. Must remove all papers to find him. Player 2 Matsuo hides in car, disguising himself as the steering wheel, locking all car doors from inside. Only opening the trunk finds him. Player 3 Yamada finds a gap, filling the gap completely with bricks, leaving only one tiny flawed area. Player 4 Nagano hits the library, altering a bookshelf into a mezzanine, hiding inside with her slim body. Must pull all books to discover her. Player 5 Sashina hits gym balcony, altering a narrow space at corner, restoring surface scratches and dust carefully. Player 6 Akiyama disguises as dancer, putting on a wild samba costume, blending straight into the staff crew. Player 7 Kikuta hits building roof, disguising himself as a spotlight. Cannot notice him without careful look. Player 8 Okabe hits dorm entrance, altering the stairs into hidden space, using full steel material on surface. Stepping on it feels completely normal. Who can hide